top 7 AI faceless YouTube channel niche ideas to start in 2025. So you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? Many people think YouTube is hard, complicated, and overwhelming, especially when it comes to the first step, choosing a niche. A niche is simply a category of content, and focusing on one niche for your faceless AI channel is the way to go. But how do you pick the right one? In this video, I'll reveal the top 7 AI-powered faceless YouTube channel niche ideas, arranged from the easiest to create to the most profitable. By the time we reach niche number 1, you'll see why it stands out and why it's worth staying until the end. These ideas require no fancy equipment or big budgets, just creativity and free AI tools. Stick around to learn how to maximize your earnings using AI. Let's dive in. Niche 7. Story videos. First on the list is the story niche. Example channel, Stories for the Soul. This channel is just 10 months old and already earns between $23,000 and $65,000 annually. Imagine the potential here. These videos are super simple to create using free AI tools. Use Leonardo AI to generate stunning images for your story. Animate these images with Luma AI, bringing life to your content. Add subtitles and edit the video seamlessly using CapCut. And the best part, you don't have to spend a single penny. The RPM, revenue per minute, for this niche is around $5 to $8 depending on your audience. The storytelling niche thrives on creativity and emotional connection, making it a great choice. Niche 6. Travel videos. Next up is the travel niche. Example, Top Travel Channel. This channel earned an impressive $7,000 in the last 28 days. You don't need to travel to exotic places to create this content. Here's how to do it. Gather royalty-free stock videos from platforms like Pexels or Pixabay. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write engaging scripts about destinations. Generate realistic voiceovers with tools like ElevenLabs. Travel channels have an RPM of $6 to $10, and the demand for travel inspiration never fades. Pair stunning visuals with compelling narratives to hook your audience. Niche 5. Anime self-help videos. The anime self-help niche is gaining massive popularity. Example channel, Incognito CEO, which earns between $4,200 and $13,000 monthly. This niche combines anime visuals with motivational or self-help content. Here's how to make it. Use AI art generators like Stable Diffusion to create anime-style imagery. Write scripts focusing on personal growth using ChatGPT. Pair the visuals with inspiring background music and use AI voiceovers. The RPM for this niche ranges from $5 to $8, and the unique blend of anime and self-help keeps viewers coming back for more. Niche 4. AI tutorials. The AI tutorials niche is perfect for tech enthusiasts. Example channels, How to AI and Decoding YT. How to AI earns around $50,000 annually, while Decoding YT boasts over 500,000 subscribers after starting in 2023. To create content for this niche, research trending AI tools and their applications. Use screen recording software to capture tutorials. Generate concise scripts with ChatGPT and add professional voiceovers. The RPM for this niche is a solid $8 to $12, and with AI rapidly evolving, there's no shortage of fresh content ideas. Niche 3. Basic financial education videos. Financial education is always in demand. Example channels, Alex.com and Chris Invest. Alex.com has 4.7 million subscribers, creating videos using stock footage and basic financial advice. Here's your step-by-step process. Use InVideo or similar AI tools to compile entire videos from scripts. Write scripts about finance basics like budgeting or investing with ChatGPT. Use ElevenLabs for realistic voiceovers. This niche has an RPM of $7 to $12, making it a lucrative choice for anyone passionate about personal finance. Niche 2. Health videos. The health niche is both impactful and profitable. Example channels, Bestie and Body Hub. These channels simplify health advice using AI. Here's how to create health videos. Research popular health topics with Google Trends. Use AI tools like Synthesia to create engaging animations. Add AI-generated voiceovers for a professional touch. The RPM for health videos is around $6 to $10, and there's always an audience eager for easy-to-follow health tips. Niche 1. Business stories videos. Finally, the top niche, business stories videos. Example channel, Magnates Media. This channel has over 1.5 million subscribers, creating documentaries about businesses and their journeys to success. Here's how you can replicate their success. Use ChatGPT to research and write detailed scripts. Add voiceovers with AI tools like Murph or ElevenLabs, combine stock videos and animations for visual appeal. The RPM for this niche can go as high as $12 to $15 thanks to high advertiser interest. With low competition, this is a goldmine for creators. So there you have it. The top 7 AI faceless YouTube channel niche ideas to start in 2025. From storytelling and travel to business documentaries, there's something here for everyone. The best part, you can leverage free AI tools to create high quality content without any prior experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their YouTube journey. Let me know in the comments which niche you're most excited about. See you in the next video. Bye.